My brothers and sisters, the body was never designed to live in sickness, and disease cannot exist in a clean, alkaline environment. When you give the body minerals, when you feed it nature, not chemicals, it begins to heal itself. In these 3 days, you will see what your body can truly do.
Millions of people silently battle chronic diseases every single day. Diabetes, high blood pressure, arthritis, cholesterol, obesity, and, doctors tell them it's all normal aging. But what if that's not true at all? What if your body already has the power to reverse almost any disease, and it only takes 3 days to activate it? Dr. Sebi, a world-famous herbal healer, believed that disease cannot survive in a clean, alkaline body, and his shocking 3-day diet has helped thousands regain energy, clean their blood, and restore their health naturally. In today's video, we uncover exactly how his method works and how you can start this powerful healing journey right from your home. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn might just change or even save your life. Now, let's get straight into Dr. Sebi's powerful 3-day diet that many believe can help the body reverse diseases naturally. Dr. Sebi's core belief is simple but revolutionary. Disease can only exist in a body filled with acid, mucus, and toxic waste. And if we remove these things, the body will clean, repair, and heal itself. He said the human body is electric, so it needs electric foods. Foods that are natural, alkaline, mineral-rich, and free from chemicals. The first step of this diet is removing the foods that cause inflammation and clog your system. That means for these 3 days, no dairy, no sugar, no processed foods, no white flour, no bread, no meat, no fried oils, and absolutely no junk food. When people hear this list, they are shocked because these are the exact foods most people rely on every single day. But according to Dr. Sebi, these foods produce thick mucus and acidic sludge that block the bloodstream, damage organs, and weaken immunity, creating a perfect environment for diabetes, heart disease, cholesterol buildup, arthritis, and even cancer. So what do we eat instead? Dr. Sebi's diet gives the body pure healing by focusing on alkaline vegetables, high mineral fruits, natural grains, nuts, and herbal detoxing drinks. In these 3 days, your plate should be filled with foods like avocado, kale, spinach, tomatoes, cucumbers, zucchini, mushrooms, watercress, chickpeas, quinoa, wild rice, apples, dates, and seeded grapes, along with sea moss gel, which Dr. Sebi called the secret to cellular regeneration. Sea moss contains 92 out of the 102 minerals our body needs, and when combined with bladderwrack, it completes all 102, helping nourish every tissue in the body. Along with these foods, the most important instruction is hydration. But not just any water. Dr. Sebi recommended spring water with a slice of key lime, which creates natural alkaline hydration that flushes out dangerous toxins faster. When you follow this cleansing approach, something incredible begins to happen inside you. On day 1, your body instantly switches from what we call storing mode to detox mode, and much of the toxic waste that has been stuck in your colon, liver, joints, arteries, and fat cells begins to break apart and release. You may feel the urge to urinate or sweat more. That's your body pushing out poison that has been stored for years. Many people report that even after just a few hours, they feel lighter, clearer in the mind, and suddenly more energetic. On day 2, inflammation starts dropping rapidly because you've removed the acidic foods that fuel swelling and pain. People with arthritis notice their joints feel less stiff, and those with high blood pressure experience smoother blood circulation. Even digestion improves. Because without dairy, sugar, and fried oils, the digestive tract is able to heal instead of constantly fighting irritation. And something surprising happens mentally as well. Brain fog starts to clear, your focus returns, and anxiety reduces because your gut and brain are deeply connected. By day 3, the body reaches a powerful stage cellular repair. Your bloodstream becomes cleaner, delivering more oxygen to every organ. The immune system becomes stronger because it's no longer fighting through mucus blockages. Blood sugar begins to stabilize on its own. Cholesterol deposits start dissolving. Even the skin glows because toxins that once pushed outward are now leaving the body properly. Some people feel so good by day 3 that they say, "I don't think I ever want to go back to my old eating habits." And this is, well, the shocking truth Dr. Sebi stood for. The body is actually designed to heal, but only if you stop poisoning it. He famously said, "If you don't feed the body the minerals it needs, disease takes over, and the doctor can't help you." Unfortunately, modern life is, full of foods that lack minerals but are loaded with chemicals. And big corporations profit when you stay sick, so they really don't want you to know that nature already has the cure. When people switch to alkaline foods, Dr. Sebi saw incredible results. Patients who were diabetic, overweight, dealing with high cholesterol, or struggling with joint pain reportedly experienced dramatic improvements. Some even reversed pre-diabetes and cleaned their arteries without a single pill. Think about that. Your own kitchen might be more powerful than a pharmacy. And the best part, this diet is not complicated. You don't need to starve or take expensive supplements. It's about giving your body the original food it understands. Everything you're going to learn next is simple, affordable, and based on natural nutrition that has existed since ancient times. And don't worry, I know you may be thinking, can I really do this? Let me tell you something. If you can stay committed for just 3 days, your body will reward you in ways you haven't felt in years. The energy will come back. The breath will feel deeper. The mornings will feel better. And you'll finally take control over your health, not the disease. So now that you understand exactly why Dr. Sebi's 3-day diet is so life-changing, let's move directly into the complete plan, step by step, so you can start today and begin experiencing the same powerful results that thousands of others have felt. You don't need fancy ingredients. You don't need complicated recipes. Just nature's original foods that give your body the minerals and cleansing power it has been starving for. On day 1, the goal is to wake up your internal healing system and flush out mucus and acidity. The moment you wake up, drink a big glass of spring water with lime to kickstart detoxification. Then take 2 tablespoons of sea moss gel, which will immediately begin supplying your cells with minerals needed for repair. Breakfast should be a smoothie made of kale, watercress, mango, and seeded grapes, because these foods are high in iron, chlorophyll, and antioxidants that clean the bloodstream. For lunch, have a simple bowl of chickpeas with tomatoes and cucumbers. No oils, no artificial salt, letting your liver rest while digestion becomes easier. If hunger strikes later, have a few walnuts, a perfect good fat snack that also helps the brain and heart. Dinner can be a small serving of wild rice with sautéed vegetables like spinach, zucchini, and mushrooms, keeping it light so the body can focus on detox overnight instead of digestion. End your day with a warm tea made from burdock root ginger or elderberry to push out toxins through the kidneys and lymphatic system. On day 2, your body is already releasing waste and inflammation is dropping. You'll wake with more energy, and now is the time to strengthen the healing. Again, start with spring water and lime and sea moss gel to continue mineral nourishment. Breakfast can be a green smoothie with spinach, avocado, and key lime, which helps repair the gut lining and reduce acidity even further. Take 10 minutes of gentle sunlight, if possible, because Dr. Sebi believed nature's vitamin D works with mineral-rich foods to supercharge immunity. Your lunch on day 2 should be quinoa topped with cherry tomatoes and fresh herbs like basil or cilantro, which cleanse the blood and support the nervous system. For a snack, eat seeded grapes because they are excellent at removing plaque buildup and strengthening arteries. Dinner should be a mild zucchini or vegetable soup, allowing your digestive tract to fully relax while cells begin deeper repair. Mentally, many people report increased clarity on day 2, better mood, easier breathing, less joint stiffness, and a feeling that something is finally changing inside. And that's exactly what's happening. Inflammation is shutting down and your immune system is switching on. Then comes day 3, the most powerful day of the entire diet, where cellular regeneration goes into high gear. When you wake up, you may already notice your stomach feels flatter, your joints feel more flexible, and cravings for unhealthy food are disappearing. Alright, so let's begin again with spring water and a squeeze of lime, followed by a little sea moss gel. Then make yourself a fresh and colourful detox salad with kale, cucumber, tomatoes, and avocado. This is your breakfast for day 3, and honestly, it sends a strong message to your cells. Keep healing. For lunch, go ahead and eat wild rice again with mushrooms. Mushrooms actually contain natural compounds that assist the immune system in destroying dangerous cells. A handful of berries in the evening gives you powerful antioxidants that fight cell damage. While dinner should be light, mainly steamed greens or maybe some chickpea mash to help your gut complete its cleanse. Throughout these 3 days, your body is experiencing transformation from the inside. Poisons are leaving, blood sugar becomes more controlled, blood pressure comes down naturally, and your digestive system can finally breathe again. No more fighting through heavy, acidic foods. Many people describe these days as resetting their life because their bodies feel younger, lighter, and stronger than they have in years. And here's something important. Dr. Sebi always emphasized, don't return to the old habits that caused disease. That means even after the 3 days, try to keep dairy, sugar, processed snacks, and fried foods out of your diet as much as possible. Even if you follow this alkaline diet 80% of the time, your body will, continue healing long after the 3-day cleanse is done. If you have never tried a detox before, you might worry. Will I feel hungry? Will it be difficult? But remember, sacrifices of just 3 days can protect your health for years. Every healthy bite you take sends a message to your body. I want to live. I want to heal. I want energy. I want a strong heart and a sharp mind. You deserve that. You deserve to feel alive again. So, don't tell yourself that you will start next week or someday, because honestly, disease never waits. Your healing should not wait either. You don't have to be rich to get healthy. You don't have to be young to heal. You only have to begin. This is your moment. This is your decision. This is your chance to rewrite your future in just 3 days. Don't do it later. Start now. If you are ready to follow this plan, comment "I'm starting today" below so I can personally reply to you with encouragement and support. And trust me, your body will thank you. Your loved ones will thank you, and you will look back and say, "This 3-day journey saved my life."